What's going on with y'all, man? Welcome to Chris 2A Gear Reviews, and we will be doing some car stuff today. I will be showing you how to install the Rain-X Latitude windshield wipers on a 2013 Lexus ES 350. I'm going to assume that this process should be the same for the 2013 ES 350 models and newer. So let's go ahead and get started. But I do want to say this though. If you're interested in these windshield wipers, get them from off of Amazon. The reason why I say that, for this pair right here, 18 inch and 26 inch, which is the length that I needed for my vehicle, $36 for both of them. I called O'Reilly's down the street. They wanted $30 per wiper blade. So that would have been $60 for the pair. Amazon got the pair for $36. Let's get to the installation. So, what you want to do is, to get your old wiper off, you want to pull this up, lean it, and pull down. Pull down, then you pull out. So we got that one right there. Now with these Rain-X wiper blades, they have several different attachments for you to use depending on what vehicle you have. So, this is the attachment for the Rain-X blade. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take this little hook apart. Slide it in there secured. Lock that back down into place. Pull the protective shield from off of your blade. Make sure that it's on there secure. We got it on there secure. That windshield blade is done. Let's go ahead and do the passenger side. It'll be the same exact process. Let me get it so where you can see it. You know what, I think for this one, let's get a little bit more closer so that you can see. See if we can do this with one hand. So, this is the process to take the old blade off. You want to pull this up right here, so it's like that. Slightly rotate it. Pull down, and then you want to pull out. And just in case if you're wondering, this is the small J hook. So the 2013 Lexus ES and newer models have the small J hook. Now we're going to apply the new one. And I got the phone sitting down there. I do apologize. I'm just trying to get this blade out for y'all. Okay. Let's take a real quick look at the attachment. So what you want to do is, you want to pop this portion open right here. Slide it in and lock it into place. When you put this on here, I want to make sure I securely lock it into place. You should hear a snap. So listen for the snap. There you go. Pull your protective blade off, and you are good to go. That is how you install your Rain-X Latitude windshield wiper blades on a 2013 or newer Lexus ES 350. What you want to do is you want to verify that it's on there good and secure. Give it a nice little tug, good and secure. Let's go to the other one. Nice little tug, good and secure. Y'all be blessed, be safe. I'm out. Hopefully that helped y'all install you some new windshield wipers.